welcome back to my channel. My name is Ikea. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining. So Valentine's Day is literally around the corner, like a few days from now. And I know y'all are getting prepped and ready for the big day. So today I decided that I would help y'all out and I'm gonna share some of my favorite date night scents. I love fragrances and I especially love fragrances to wear at nighttime. So I picked out 5 of my favorite perfumes out of my collection that I think would be great, or something, if you have something similar to it, I think it would be great to wear on Valentine's Day. If you're interested in that, then let's get started. So the first fragrance that I want to share with you all that I think is perfect for date night, or really any time in the nighttime, even if you're going out with your girls, going out with your man, your girlfriend, whomever, I think that this scent is really perfect. This is Dior Addict, and this is what the bottle looks like. Really, really pretty. I think that this scent is really, really great because it's very unique. You probably won't run into too many people who smell like you because the scent, again, is very unique. This has oriental vibes. It also has hints of jasmine, hints of orange blossom as well. And I just think that this smells so great. I've never really smelled a scent like this one in particular, just because to me it has multiple notes of orient. I've never smelled anything that has oriental, floral, and oranges. I just think this smells so, so good and it'll be perfect. I think you'll definitely get compliments from whoever you're out with at nighttime, and it is just a showstopper. So if you want to turn heads, this is definitely one of those fragrances that will do that for you. The next fragrance that I want to share with you all is this one right here. It is Gucci Guilty. I absolutely love this fragrance. It gives me so many memories. I think I've shared this before, but I love this fragrance, especially for the nighttime. This is a warm floral, but this also has hints of oriental as well. This has a hint of peach oriental in it, and it just smells so, so good. This is one of those scents that's really sensual and very sexy and very attractive. I could definitely see you pulling this off with your really nice dress or cute outfit. This is one of those scents that you will definitely make heads turn. Your date or even your girlfriends will be super excited to smell you. They'll probably be asking you what you have on, and I mean, I just love this scent. I do receive a ton of compliments whenever I wear this. I haven't worn this in a while, but this is one of those scents that, like, once you smell it, you just can't forget it. You'll be thinking about that scent for a while. So I think that this is perfect for date night and perfect for Valentine's Day. So the next fragrance that I wanted to share with you all is this one right here, which is YSL Libra, but this is actually the intense version, and this is also a warm floral. So this has hints of orchids, it has hints of lavender, and I believe that vanilla is also the base note. So it is a little bit sweeter and a little bit warmer than the original YSL Libra, but this is perfect for nighttime. This is great if you want to wear a nice warm scent, but you don't want to be offensive or you don't want it to be super overpowering. Then I think that this would be a great scent for you. This is also great if you're doing like something casual for Valentine's Day. I think this scent would be perfect for a casual event. I mean, you can wear it even if you're dressing super sexy and super dressy as well, but it's one of those scents that it's not overpowering and it's not super, super strong to where it'll be offensive to people. So I think you can get away with wearing this with any type of style that you're doing, or any type of occasion that you're having for Valentine's Day. So the fourth fragrance that I want to share with you all that I think would be great for Valentine's Day is Giorgio Armani C. So this is what the packaging looks like. Super, 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 super warm. Okay, this is a warm and spicy scent. I actually think this is my personal favorite scent. I love this. It smells so, so good. If you're into warm, spicy, woody fragrances, and I think that this would be perfect for you. This is definitely a showstopper. It's a head turner. I'm telling you, if you wear this whoever you're with is going to ask you what you're wearing. People around you are going to ask you what you're wearing. You're definitely going to get compliments. This is also one of those fragrances where, yes, it's a showstopper, but it's not offensive. It's not overly strong to where people are like, oh, we can't be by you because your perfume is too strong. It's not like that, but this is very, very sexy, very sensual, very warm, very, very sophisticated. And I think that this is perfect for Valentine's Day. Definitely perfect for date night. I definitely would wear this with a nice dress, a nice, like, you know, one of them freakum dresses. But this would be one perfume that I would definitely wear for Valentine's Day. And honestly, I wear this on most night occasions because I love this perfume so much. I just love the feeling that it gives me when I wear it. I just feel so empowered and strong. Like I could just walk into a room and heads are gonna turn. That's how I feel when I wear this. So if you kind of want that reaction, or if you feel the same way, then I think that Giorgio Armani C would be perfect for you, especially on Valentine's Day. So the last and final fragrance that I wanted to recommend and share with you all for date night or for Valentine's Day is this one right here. This is Valentino's Donna Born in Roma. And first of all, the packaging is just everything. I feel like this packaging just screams Valentine's Day. It's pink and kind of bedazzled, and it's just so gorgeous. But most importantly, the juice inside is what smells great as well. So this is a warm floral scent as well. This has hints of jasmine, and at the base this also has vanilla. So again, like I said, it's a warm floral. It's perfect for nighttime. I think I previously mentioned that I would wear this in the spring and summer at nighttime, but honestly, I've been wearing this a lot recently at night, even in the winter time, and it goes off very perfectly. It goes off well, and I still think that you can wear this anytime. So I don't think the season matters with this fragrance right here. It is just perfect. It's really fun and flirty. I probably will end up wearing this one on Valentine's Day just because that's the kind of vibe I'm going for. Fun, flirty, very inviting, you know, the girl that laughs a lot. That's the kind of vibe that I'm going for. So I think I'm actually going to be wearing this one on Valentine's Day. I think it'll be perfect though if you're into florals, but you don't want to smell like, I don't know, a garden. This is something that'll be great for you because it's still warm and it does still have a little bit of sweetness to it. So it'll just be great if you like something that's a little bit more sweet and not super, super fresh or light. It's warm, but it's not strong. I don't think any of these fragrances that I mentioned are super strong or super overpowering, but this is one of those scents where you'll still get your point across. People will still know that you're in the room, and I think you'll still get compliments on this one as well. All right, so those were my top 5 fragrances that I would recommend for date night or for Valentine's Day. I am personally a warm kind of girl. I love warm scents. I love warm florals. I love woody, spicy scents. So those are kind of the ones that I recommended for you all. I just think that they go well at nighttime. Of course, you can wear fragrances any time of day, to each its own, whatever your heart desires, whatever makes you happy. I think you should go with that. But I just really love things that are just warmer and spicier for the nighttime. But I'm super excited for Valentine's Day. I cannot wait for the festivities. I'll probably actually just be in the house, to be quite honest, but I don't care if I'm in the house or if I'm going out somewhere. I just have to smell good, even if it's for myself. So those were my top 5 recommended perfumes for you all. Comment down below and let me know what some of your favorite perfumes are for nighttime, and let me know which one you plan on wearing for Valentine's Day. All right, well, that is all I have for you all today, and I will talk to y'all later. As always, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to subscribe. You can also follow me on social media. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. My handle will be linked down below in the description, but it's actually at Ikea Alexis for both channels and both social media platforms. So feel free to stop on by and follow me there. But I'll talk to y'all later, and I hope y'all have a fantastic Valentine's Day. Bye.